Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're signed in and at Google Forms. Now begin by opening an existing form or creating one. Add a clear title and the questions you need, marking required items. Once done, open settings to choose whether to collect emails, limit to one response, or restrict to your organization. Make sure response, destination, and confirmation message are set how you want them, because link behavior depends on these choices. This first setup ensures the link you create later behaves correctly for your audience. With settings configured, click Send and switch to the Link tab. You'll see a long URL you can shorten for neatness. Decide who can use the link, anyone with the link or only users in your domain, because that changes access instantly. If you need the form on a web page, use the Embed HTML option. Copy the link or shortened URL, and make sure to test it in an incognito window or a different account to confirm permissions and behavior before sharing widely. Now share the link through email, chat, or by embedding it on a site. Choose channels appropriate for your audience. Once responses start coming in, monitor them inside the form or in a linked Google Sheet and enable email notifications for new responses so nothing is missed. If someone reports they can't access the form, make sure your form's permission isn't restricted to your domain and verify whether you require sign-in. Changing those settings usually fixes access issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.